I'm also helping the brothers that help us build that house of Tammy and Christine for free. Now they are the one that needs help. So I'm here now in the local hardware where I bought the last materials for Christine and Tammy's house. Now I am buying for Rupo and Telma's house. This is the reason why my car can't go in here. Look, the road has cracked up. And another one here further away is there's a landslide. The roads have cracked up, most of it now. And you can see here it's landsliding. There you can see this one blocks the road. So I have to leave my vehicle down there. I'm glad I was here because one of the brothers, there's 3 brothers that's helping us build the house of Tammy and Christine for free. And this is the state of the house, in which I believe is deserving to be house number 7. I'm here looking at Rufo and Telma's house. Telma is the sister of Tammy and Rufo is the brother-in-law, but they are the one that's helping us build Tammy and Christine's house for free. Their labor for free, and we are just providing the materials. And I believe it is now time for us to also help Rufo rebuild his house. Look at what happened here. His house has been blown off roof-wise, and the family has nowhere to sleep. They are temporarily sleeping in Tammy's. So I believe that house number 7 will be the house of Rufo and Telma. So this is the state of what they are right now, and we can help them. So Rufo has managed to concrete an area here, but not totally concrete, but he lost all his roof. That's the medals of his children. And here, that is his kitchen. They have not finished the whole house into concrete yet, but he is just slowly, not asking much, did not even approach me. But it's not that I can be blind on this. The man needs help. It is completely blown away. So I believe that we can help Rufo and Tilma in rebuilding their homes. This is the toilet here. And this is Telma's kitchen. Asa mo nga on? So they used to eat here. They eat here still. And they still managed to put some of the sheets that they managed to find. But look at the sheets are already been curled by the wind. So house number 7. This is gonna be the house of Telma and Rufo. So I'll have to talk to Rufo. What is his things needed around here to finish off his roof? I believe that they can get the wood, which I see down there. So we're gonna have to provide the sheets and whatever materials needed to make sure that his roof will be back. So this is house number 7, Rufo and Telma's house. Rufo is the lead man of the brothers that's been helping Tammy and Christine build their house. And you can see he's completely no roof. So we are helping families have the relief that the materials can be bought. We are actually fortunate that around this area they have you heard that chainsaw cutting off their own particular coconut wood. So this wood that we're using right now is within the land that the siblings own and have it cut to the sizes that they want by the chainsaw of their neighbor. Because right now in the city we are struggling to buy wood. So this is house number 7, and also it was reported to me that the other brother, Junior, his house is completely flat as well. Whereas the third one, Mishu's house, only had minimal damage. But this is the house of Rufo and it needs help. So this is now the challenge, if we can get the materials from here, because you know how scarce it is in the city. And I need to make sure that they can get the materials so they can live back in their house, because as of the moment the family I stay in Tammy and Christine's house. That house that you built for Tammy and Christine has been God sent, has saved the mother and daughter's life, has now been the sanctuary of this family, that's helped Tammy build that house for free, and now they are living with her at night away from the shelter. So we need to finish this house ASAP for the family of Rufo, house number 7. So this is the kitchen of Rufo and Tilma. There. And I think we need to replace that, because you can see that it's quite dangerous actually. But it depends, it's within the budget. So I'll work on the budget that I set aside for each house project. I'm aiming for house 10 houses. House 10. So this is house number 7. I'm gonna have to look at the other brother's house, and the other one that they said that it's really destroyed. So I have helped the people there in my village, in the mountain barangays of Cebu City. And since we are quite connected here in this area because of Tammy and Christine, so I could also make an update of Tammy and Christine. And the same thing, I'm also helping the brothers that help us build that house of Tammy and Christine for free. Now they are the one that needs help. So I'm here now in the local hardware where I bought the last materials for Christine and Tammy's house. Now I am buying for Rufo and Tilma's house for house number 7. And I'm ordering the sheets, the nails, and then the rebars and the tire wires, because I want the hollow block walls to be just continued to be hollow blocks, to make it all evenly hollow blocks, so it can be delivered all at once. So that's house number 7, Rufo and Tilma's house. So there we go, that's for house number 7, the Rufo and Telma house in Cambaje, Naga. So I think he deserves help for his roof because it's completely blown away, and he's been rendering his services to finish the Tammy and Christine's house for free. So that will be the house number 7. Ikaw no? Sige, ikaw na naman expect. And I was giving Telma his fare to go back there because I have to take her with me, so I won't have to go back and she won't accept it. Nya, sige na ha, maayo na gito imong atop. So that Tilma is very thankful for the help of her house because they think that they will not be able to do it immediately. It will be every payday. Lagi siya. Sige, thank you kaayo ga. Thank you sad. Haha. Sige, ato na ko oy. Ha? So I'm gonna have to visit your other brother. Sige, thanks. So before I go, Christine is now getting ready for her books to show me. Hala, kanindot ani. Kasi nag-drawing ani. Ikaw? Oh, she's the one who's draw this. I was asking who draw this one. Kinsa is who? Hala, kanindot ani langga. Oh. She is following the letters. That's Y, Z. So let's start the ABC. This is the aftermath of the Typhoon Odette here in Naga. A lot of the coconut trees has been uprooted. This is a piggery here, and they're making a new one because the roof has been blown away. They're making a new fence, but it's making it impossible for my car to go and visit Tammy anymore. That's why I am now on a motorbike. I've left my vehicle on the barangay hall near the highway. So it is, you will see in a minute why I can't go up here on my car. Look at all the sheets. Hello, mga scene of houses been blown away. But you can see it's only thin sheets. Yeah, these are new houses and they lost all their roofs. That's why they have tarpaulins on. So the road is mostly blocked by the trees that's not been cleared out yet until now. Mga Jimelina, maniga. Jimelina plantation, Jimelina wood has been uprooted. But luckily the houses here, they have the roof intact. Only a few like their shops, but mostly of the residential houses are intact.